Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lancaster is a small community in eastern Ontario, located along County Road 2 near the St. Lawrence River and close to the Quebec border. The village is part of the township of South Glengarry within the United Counties of Stormont, Dundas, and Glengarry. Lancaster has a population of roughly 1,000 people, giving it the quiet atmosphere of a rural Ontario community where local history and agriculture continue to shape daily life. The surrounding landscape is made up of farmland, forests, and small residential areas connected by roads that have served travelers and settlers for generations. The history of Lancaster dates back to the late 1700s, when Scottish settlers arrived in the region following the American Revolution and the Highland clearances in Scotland. Many families from the Scottish Highlands settled throughout Glengarry County because the land and river access offered opportunities for farming and trade. Scottish traditions remain strong in the area, and that cultural influence can still be seen today through local events, family names, churches, and community organizations across the region. Lancaster developed along important transportation routes connecting Montreal with Upper Canada. Before railways and highways became common, the St. Lawrence River served as one of the main transportation corridors in eastern Canada. Settlers, merchants, and travelers moved through communities like Lancaster as goods and supplies were carried westward along the river. Roads running beside the water later became important stagecoach and wagon routes, eventually evolving into modern highways and county roads. Agriculture has always been one of the foundations of life in Lancaster and the surrounding countryside. Dairy farms, crop fields, and livestock operations have supported the local economy for generations. The fertile land along the St. Lawrence Valley helped early settlers establish successful farms, and agriculture continues to play an important role in the region today. Large open fields and rural landscapes surrounding the village reflect the area's long farming history and its connection to Eastern Ontario's agricultural traditions. One of the most important historic events connected to the region was the construction of the St. Lawrence Seaway during the 1950s. The project transformed shipping along the river and created a modern navigation system linking the Atlantic Ocean with the Great Lakes. Nearby communities experienced major changes as roads, railways, and shorelines were rebuilt. Several villages farther west along the river became known as the Lost Villages after they were flooded during the construction of the seaway and hydroelectric system. While Lancaster itself was not flooded, the project permanently changed transportation and economic activity throughout the entire region. The area surrounding Lancaster is also closely connected to military history in Canada. During the War of 1812, Eastern Ontario communities along the St. Lawrence River became strategically important because of their location between Montreal and Kingston. British forces and local militias used the river corridor to move troops and supplies through the region. Nearby historic sites throughout Glengarry County continue to preserve the memory of this period in Canadian history. Lancaster remains closely tied to nearby communities such as Cornwall, Alexandria, and Montreal. Many residents travel to larger cities for work, shopping, or services while continuing to enjoy the quieter pace of rural life. Highway 401 passes nearby, connecting the region with major urban centers across Ontario and Quebec. Despite these modern connections, Lancaster has maintained much of its small-town character, with local churches, schools, community halls, and family-run businesses continuing to play an important role in everyday life. The natural surroundings of the area are one of Lancaster's defining features. The nearby St. Lawrence River provides opportunities for boating, fishing, and recreation throughout the warmer months. Seasonal changes shape the landscape dramatically, from green farmland in summer to colorful autumn forests and snowy winter fields. Wildlife is common throughout the area, and the rural roads and open countryside give visitors a sense of the quieter side of Eastern Ontario. Today, Lancaster reflects the long history of settlement, agriculture, and transportation that shaped much of Eastern Ontario. While small in size, the community represents an important part of the larger Glengarry region, known for its Scottish heritage, rural traditions, and strong connection to the St. Lawrence River. Visitors passing through Lancaster experience a landscape shaped by centuries of farming, migration, and river travel, where local history remains closely tied to the land and waterways of Eastern Canada.
watching.